Hello, my name is Jahid Sheikh, and I have created this model of Ellora caves, specifically Kailash temple, referencing images from Google and other websites. So as you can see, this is the front. These are the pillars, and there is the main temple in the cone-like structure. So for example, I have referenced images like this. As you can see, there is a front gate. So I will show. This is the front gate. Then we have two pillars and a central connecting structure between the gate and the main temple, and beside we have two pillars. Then in the main temple, behind it we have some smaller cone-like structure, pyramid-like structures, and this is and main square-like structure, and behind it we have a Torah structure. So I have created this in this. So this is my contribution. Thank you.